First question is evaluate integral sine to the power of 4x by cos to the power of 6x into dx. Now integral sine to the power of 4x by cos to the power of 4x into cos square x into dx. Integral sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. So sin to the power of 4x by cos to the power of 4x becomes tan power 4x, and 1 by cos square x is equal to secant square x. So into secant square x into dx. Now put tan x is equal to t, and differentiating on both the side will get secant square x into dx is equal to dt, because d by dx of tan x is secant square x. So instead of secant square x into dx is equal to, we can write dt. So integral t to the power of 4 into dt, t to the power of integral x to the power of n into dx is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So from this formula we can write integral t to the power of 4 into dt is equal to 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 plus c. So that is equal to tan to the power of 5 by 5 plus c. But what is t? T is tan x. So tan x power 5 by 5 plus c is the answer. Now second one, integral cos root x by root x into dx. So second one, integral cos root x by root x into dx. Now root x is equal to, put root x is equal to t. d by dx of root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. So it becomes 1 by 2 root x into dx is equal to dt. So dx by root x is equal to 2 dt. Now just cross multiplication, so this 2 becomes product. It is in denominator, so it becomes product. So dx by root x is equal to 2 dt. So instead of dx by root x is equal to, we can write 2 dt. Integral cos, then what is root x is t, so cos t into 2 dt. 2 is constant, so I'm writing here. So integral cos t into dt. What is integral cos t into dt? Is sin t. So 2 sin t plus c. But what is t? T is nothing but root x. So 2 sin root x plus c is answer. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe.